Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a tag video, and this is going to be the, what is it, seven deadly sins of beauty tag. Yeah, so I found this, I thought it would be kind of fun to do, and I like tag videos, so without going into it, it just kind of goes through the 7 deadly sins, so yeah, let's do it. First one is greed, and the question is, what is your most inexpensive beauty item? This eyeliner from Essence, this is my favorite black eyeliner, and this was only like $2.99 or something stupid like that. And then the other one is, what is your most expensive, still have no idea how to pronounce this, it's a eye cream, and this is like a $60 eye cream, so yeah. Okay, so the next one is wrath, and the question is, what beauty products do you have a love-hate relationship with? First one is foundation. There's so many like beautiful foundations that I'd like to try and, you know, seem really interesting, and I'd like to try them out. I'm fucking ghost pale, and the thing that I don't understand is that, like, hello, I live in Canada, you know, and I can't find foundation light enough for me. Very rarely. Like, MAC has yet to make one that's like not mixing white with it, or like N3, which is like the palest Studio Fix powder, like that's my shade. And it's just ridiculous because it's like it goes to NC15 or NW15, like that's how I'm relating it, and it's like, oh, so I either look like lobster pink or slightly yellow, so that's cool. Like, I'm a neutral, like that's my love-hate relationship. Like I would love good foundation, there is no color range for me, so it's like, it's absolutely ridiculous. And on the same end of the spectrum, like, I know for a fact that there's not a lot of foundations for like really dark skin tones, and like that sucks. Like, I completely feel your pain there because it's not fun. The other thing I would say would be like contour colors. Same thing, so many of them are orange or shimmery or too dark, and it's really hard to just contour with your like bronzer or anything for pale skin. So I would say that would be my love-hate relationship. Gluttony. What are your most delicious beauty products? I honestly don't know for that. Like, I think MAC lipsticks are kind of good because they have that kind of like vanilla little flavor. They taste like vanilla, and it's not too bad. Other than that, I used to have this one lip gloss from, I think, NYX, and it used to remind me of Starburst. That shit was awesome. It was super delicious. And I don't know if anyone remembers this. This one's really old. Like, I need to throw this out. It was one of my first lip glosses I ever bought, and it's, like, rancid now, so I don't dare open it. But it was one of the Urban Decay ones where, like, the boys were naked if you move them. You remember these? Why does Urban Decay not have this anymore? I love that shit. Like, that thing was awesome. But yeah, and it used to taste like creme brulee, so I used to love this, but it's nasty and I don't want to open it now. Sloth. What beauty product do you neglect due to laziness? Honestly, foundation, because I just get too tired to look for a good one to match my skin. I think that's what it is. Other than that, I would say I neglect taking my makeup off sometimes, and yeah, so I don't know, but mostly just face stuff, so, and then I'm just like, fuck it, and I'm too lazy to bother. Pride, and it's like, what beauty product gives you the most self-confidence? For me, it's definitely lipstick, specifically matte red lipstick. I think the second that I knew that I could put red lipstick on and rock it, it was like, confidence soared through the friggin' sky, because it was just like, heh, because a lot of girls I find aren't confident enough to do it, and then the second you are, you're like, see this? I pull this shit off, you know? And I think that's what it is with me with most lipsticks. It's like, once you get that confidence boost of like, hey, I can wear this out, then you're like, I'm good to go. And like, you just feel like an added bonus. And like, I rarely go out when I don't have I really, when I'm out with red lipstick, do I not get complimented on it, so that's kind of just the added bonus. So I would say that. It's lust, and it says, has nothing to do with beauty, and it's like, what attributes do you find most attractive in the opposite sex? I would say whether or not they have a handlebar mustache. No. But no, I like eyes. like, this is physical attributes, I guess. I don't know, if you're gonna do physical attributes, I would say eyes and, like, facial structure, and mostly just eyes. I really like eyes. Last one is envy, and it is, what items would you most like to receive as a gift? Honestly, anything OCC. I really would like an airbrush system. Like, honestly, like, if we're talking, like, if I could have this tomorrow, I'd love an airbrush system, and, like, OCC skin airbrush foundation, I think, is what I would like most, because it's like, I've never had an airbrush system, and, like, I think that would be, like, really, really fun to have and to play with. It's just I've never bothered to sit down and buy one for myself, because I always have, like, 700 other things to pay for, like rent and whatever. But that is one of the things that if I, like, fell into a pit of money, that's what I'd want first. Yeah, so that's kind of my quick little 7 Deadly Sins of Beauty tag. I do hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if you want to know how I did this makeup, I'll include a link here. It's probably my last couple tutorials or something. Again, I pre-record all my videos, and then I kind of pick and choose which one I upload. So I always say, like, it will be up or it is up. I don't know yet. But yeah, so that's kind of my tag, and of course leave it as a video response if you want, and I'll put the questions down below and everything. And yeah, so if you have any comments or anything, feel free, and until my next video, I'll talk to all you soon.